Alright, so this is a stock air engine. We'll go ahead and dyno it to show you the comparison between a stock and a modified engine. What I'll do is I'll close the shield, I'll run it up, and then when I hit this red button here, it's our stop button, it will engage the brake, which is a solenoid in the back here, that presses a Delrin piece, you can see it between the engine and the mounting block, into the coupler, and that slows the engine down, stops it, and the program also turns the pressure off to the engine. You might hear a little whoosh when I hit the button. That's the pressure bleeding off through the regulator. So I will turn our pressure on, and you'll notice that leaking sound is coming from here, not our dyno. We will close dyno up, give it a little spin. If we get it in the right spot, it'll start itself when the pressure is turned on. So, and then we'll run the program. Now, there we go. These engines typically die about 3,000 RPM. Get a close up on the running. Huge wheel and Hall effect turns in. And our max support. There's the button here. That ended our program.